All right, welcome back. So after narrowly missing out on victory in the 100 meters for women, Sha'carri Richardson easily takes the 200 at the 2022 USA Track and Field NYC Grand Prix meet. Okay, that's going on today. So the results are as follows. Sha'carri takes first with 22.38, followed by Tamara Clark of the USA with 22.62. Tiana Gaither of the Bahamas, 22.66. Morley Atkinson of the USA, 22.82. Courtney Johnson, 22.93, also of the USA. Angela Anelasis of the USA, 23.20. And Destiny Smith Barnett, also of the USA, in 7th with 23.54. Right? So good, clean victory there for Sha'carri Richardson in the women's 200 meters. The wind was a plus 0.17, nice favorable wind, and she delivered the victory. Good performance overall. I would say she had a good meet. Second in the 100, first in the 200 meters, rounding into form around the right time, looking good. All right, guys, remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.